Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are here at Windrock, Tennessee again. Who knows if it'll be our last ride, but got breakfast and got all showered up, ready to roll, got all warm. So let's hit the trails and see what we can get into.
They got a warranty? Yeah, see that rock right there?
You're trading paint. Close. That thing sounds good. That 4-seater Turbo S goes up. Damn.
Your bag is doing the same his was, he said, but you can try and bump it, but small bump. That's what you needed. That's enough. Pop his windshield out.
Alright, we got Andy coming up 39 here. Are you true 4-lock?
You got 3 pulling.
Chase, you gotta pull out the owner manual. Look at his axle, how they're jump roping.
Don't back up much.
Huh?
Don't back up much.
Oh, okay.
You can go back a little bit, just not a lot.
What am I on?
That rock.
You're near the ledge.
No.
'He's got to set himself up to bump though.
Hey, you're gonna have to bump it, but you only got about 6 inches.
I feel hung up on something.
You are. You don't have to just bump it from there. If you don't hop straight up, you'll just have to try again. Put your damn harness on, jackass.
Do what?
Harness up.
Oh. Doopsie daisy.
God bless it.
Safety third, everyone.
Guys, we don't know him.
That ain't gonna do it. 6 inches, then stay towards the tree.
Out.
You're good. Right there. Just stay towards the tree and just carry it. Same thing, just a little bit harder bump.
What happens if I have my windshield back up?
Your axle's hitting the strut. It's a little bent.
They're all
other
four.
side.
They're all four are.
Find the right angle to get in, or?
Yeah, you gotta stop right there. Keep doing the little bump, just small bumps, but aim right. When you come up, aim right.
There.
Right there. You feel where it's coming up?
Yeah.
You have to get over that and come right.
Yes.
Do that same thing, but go right. You don't have to put it on the tree.
You're gonna have to put on the tree, he said.
I'm trying.
Right there. Harder bump. Right there. Gas it, turn right.
He's close. There it is. Alright, well, Andy's gonna try to shoot for the hill, so we'll see what she does. I'm getting back here. He ain't making this far out. Alright, we'll stand down here. We got 12%, so hopefully it makes a good run of it.
Figured I'd wait for Chris to get out.
Like, there it is. Guys, that is gonna do it for this video here. Luckily Dylan came along and showed us along the way. What do we do? Trail 39 and Walden's Ridge, whatever trail number that is. I'll have to look into that, but Dylan is an experienced rider. He's been riding for however long he has been, but thankfully, luckily, he was able to show us the correct way to go through Walden's Ridge, because it seemed pretty sketchy. And I mean, Trail 39, he made it to breathe as well. Winching when we had to, choosing the correct line, stuff like that, so it makes it a little bit easier. But all in all, the weekend was successful. One buggy broke both days. Other than that, it was awesome. So stay tuned, follow along, and we'll catch you on the next one.